A last and important topic in this presentation are the confounders. Also confounders, I mentioned before. Let us repeat them to have a more general view of this bias issue. Confounders are factors affecting both input and outcome variables, as seen in this figure here. Here, my outcome variable is myocardial infarction, and the risk factor which I'm behind, which I'm trying to measure, is high cholesterol. So my intention is to measure whether high cholesterol might be leading to myocardial infarction or not. If my participants with high cholesterol are older compared to those who have low cholesterol, the low cholesterol participants are younger, I cannot make sure, I cannot say with certainty, claim with certainty that high cholesterol is the reason of myocardial infarction, because age is a factor which affects both, which is increasing the risk of myocardial infarction, but age is also increasing the risk of high cholesterol. So in this case, age should be eliminated as a confounder or should be controlled for. Either all the participants should have a similar age, or the high cholesterol, low cholesterol groups should be comparatively similar. If we put it this, what I said in this previous slide into points. First, the variable must be independently associated with the outcome to be a confounder. Second, the variable must be associated with the exposure under study in the source population. And third, it should not lie in the causal pathway between exposure and disease. Let us see another example to make it sounder, to make it more clear to understand. Here, my independent variable or risk factor is alcohol consumption, and I want to see whether alcohol consumption is associated with mortality. So this is my dependent variable or the outcome variable, the mortality. And risk factor is alcohol consumption. What kind of confounders could be playing a role here? Age, certainly. Age, younger and older people have different proportions of alcohol consumptions and different proportions of mortality. Sex, male and female, men and women, have different proportions of alcohol consumptions and also different mortalities. Men are drinking more alcohol and men are having a higher mortality. Ethnicity, education, diet, exercise, smoke, etc. There might be, so you can figure out, you can try to find other variables which may play a confounding role in this scenario here. Okay, I hope that was also clear. Stop recording.